everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm really excited to be here with you guys because I'm showing you guys all the new challenges that I have for 2022, and I tried to make a wide variety to fit, different budgets, different lifestyles, because I know everybody's life and budget is different. So there really is something for everyone, and yeah, I hope so. I worked really hard on this new collection, and also I am also launching a new product at the end of the video and a few new options at the end of the video as well. So I'm just gonna jump into the actual savings challenges because that's why you guys clicked on the video, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so just a few basic details. All of the savings challenges that I'm going to show you in the envelopes also come in just a regular PDF printable. I know not everyone uses the envelope system in the A6 size, so you do have the option just to get it in the printable PDF version as well for every single challenge you see here. So just keep that in mind. And like I just mentioned really quick, that this is the A6 size, so it fits perfectly in the A6 binders that are on the website, and yeah, they just fit right in like that. These are really similar to the cash envelopes I offer already, and they are a removable label, so you can actually just, whoops, that was open. You can actually just remove this out and reuse the envelope if you are no longer doing the savings challenges. I like to make everything reusable for you guys just in case, things change, right? Life happens. So this is the holiday savings challenge, and it comes in 3 different increments. So each one is a different listing. So you get 1 envelope, you get 1 front label, and then you get 1 of the trackers depending on, which increment you want. So the first one we have here is the $500 holiday savings challenge. As you guys can see, this one is in $10 increments. This is great if you're just starting out. If you have a smaller budget for Christmas, I think this is the one I'm going to use because I don't buy too many Christmas presents. So $500 is perfect for me. And again, it's easy because it's in $10 increments. So yeah, this is a 3-piece product. Again, the envelope, the front label inside, and then this is the actual tracker that you can just slip in and use as you start saving. So it looks something like that on the back, so you can see your progress as well, and then obviously your money will go in between. Super easy, super simple. Also, I highly recommend that you guys use a permanent marker when you are crossing off your tracker. So for example, if I put in $20, I would cross off 2 10s, and it would look something like that. Since it is a Sharpie, it dries down pretty fast, and then you can just put it right into your envelope. Now, if you decide to use a dry erase marker, keep in mind with dry erase, it can move if it touches like another surface. So I personally will be using a Sharpie, and what's great is that since this is laminated, you can just take some rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball or a nail polish remover and just remove it and reuse it over and over for years to come. So this is what I'm going to be doing, and again, I recommend a Sharpie for all of the challenges in the envelope. So yeah, that's the first one. Holiday Savings Challenge is $500. I know it took a while to explain, but let's breeze through showing you all the other ones. We have another holiday savings challenge in the $1,000 goal here, and these are in $25 increments. This is a great one also for beginners, especially if you have a bigger family and you need to save a little bit more throughout the year. This one's a great one. And then the highest increment we have for the holiday savings challenge is $2,000, and these are in $40 increments. So again, if you are a little bit more advanced and you want to challenge, this one is $2,000. All of these can be reused. So if you decide you want the $500 savings challenge and then you realize you have to buy more presents, but you already completed it, you can just erase it and start over. So you can use this as many times as you want. Same thing with the 1,000. If you reach your goal, erase it and do it again. Do another 1,000. So it really just depends on what your budget is and what your lifestyle is. So that is the holiday savings challenges. This next one is one of my favorites. It's the vacation savings challenge. I really wanted to make one for vacation because I feel like a lot of people don't often think about themselves and treat themselves to a little getaway. And I feel like vacation is very important to just, you know, enjoy life a little bit. There's just a little airplane and some clouds, but this is a tracker here that you will get with it. And this has a $1,000 goal. Again, depending on how big your family is, or if you're single like me, $1,000 is enough for a trip for me personally. So the little suns are $20 increments. And then down here, you have a little beach chair, and these are 2 bigger increments of $50, and your total will equal up to $1,000. So there's a vacation one for $1,000. And then I also, obviously, if you have a bigger family, I made a vacation one that is $2,000 as a goal. And these little sunshine increments are $40. And then at the bottom down here, you have 4 bigger ones, which are $50. So again, you would just go in, and if you put in $40, you would get your Sharpie and you would cross it off like that. Super simple. And then you would put your money in your envelope. So this next one I'm really excited about, because this one I am starting in the new year. This is the Disney Savings Challenge, you guys. Look how cute this envelope is. I love this label. I think it's so cute. I wanted to make it kind of like cute and festive. So this one is for Disney, and I Googled what an average cost of a Disney trip is, and typically they are family trips. So an average cost for a Disney trip, it's expensive, y'all. It's almost I think it was for like $4,500. So I ended up making a Disney challenge. And you guys, it's a challenge. It's supposed to feel a little bit hard. Just keep that in mind. This is a $5,000 goal. Obviously, if you just want to like do half of it, you can do that. But $5,000 is the Disney challenge, and these little stars are in $100 increments. So again, this is a hard one, but I'm starting this one in the new year because my goal is to take my niece to Disney for her 5th birthday. She's 3 now, so I have 2 years. So this might flow into, you know, 2023 for me, but I'm really excited about this one, and I haven't been to Disney in a long time, so I wanted to make a Disney challenge. Look how cute. I love the castle. I put some fireworks in there. I love this one. I think this one is my absolute favorite, and I hope you guys like it too. Okay, so now we're just getting into some of the basic savings challenges. I did make the 52-week savings challenge into an envelope version. Again, I have this as a printable. I've had it as a printable for years, but I decided to do an envelope version just in case any of you guys wanted to pick this one up. And this is the tracker here. You do this challenge once a week, every single week for 52 weeks. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple. And then you just put your money in here. So that's the 52-week savings challenge, saving $1,378. This is the one I did this year, but obviously in the printable form. But now I have it in an envelope form. So in case you guys are interested in that. And then this one I'm also excited about because it is a smaller version of the 100 envelope challenge. It's the 75 envelope challenge, and you're saving $2,850. Any of these challenges you can do at your own pace. You can stuff this envelope, you know, 2 times a week, 3 times a week, however much you can. Yeah, that's the 75 envelope savings challenge. And then we're moving on to the basic savings challenge. This is the emergency fund savings challenge. It's $1,000, super simple, super straightforward, $20 increments. This one is really great for beginners, just to have $1,000 as an emergency fund. Now, I truly recommend everyone to have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved as your emergency. But again, this one is a super easy one for beginners, just to get you to $1,000 to have just in case. But again, always think about having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. But yeah, that's a $1,000 savings challenge. Then we have the $2,000 savings challenge here. And this one's really awesome because it's actually a bunch of different increments. Now, technically, you could just do the $1,000 savings challenge twice, and then you would have this one. But if you like to have different increments every week, there's some 20s, 10s, 50s, 30s, 60s, 80s, 100. So like, this one's a little bit harder, obviously, but again, any of these you can just double up. But yeah, that's the $2,000 savings challenge. And then the last one we have here is the $3,000 savings challenge. These are bigger increments. So again, This one is a challenge for sure. And you can see there's a bunch of hundreds, 40s, 20s, 80s, etc. So yeah, these are the more basic ones, but I wanted to offer, again, a decent variety for every sized budget. But now I want to get into one of the new items that I will be offering. Now, this right here was highly requested by quite a few people. And these are cash envelopes in the A7 size. So, I don't know if you guys can tell how small these are versus a regular savings challenge or A6 size envelope. This is a normal cash envelope and this is the A7 size. So A6 and A7. So I was requested to offer A7 size because a lot of people use specific wallets that are this size as their cash envelope wallets, which I have one right here to show you guys. So this is a very popular planner / wallet. This is one of the Moterm wallets. I accidentally ordered the wrong one. This one has huge rings in it, but it's fine. I'm just gonna show you guys as an example. But if you do have an A7 wallet like this, then these will fit in perfectly. They are the perfect size. You can have your cards here, and then these would be your cash envelopes. So yeah, I will be offering these on the website currently. Really excited about it. And yeah, they are the just perfect size to kind of have in your purse. And again, if you are a cash user, these are perfect. So some basics that you would be spending throughout the week: groceries, gas, eating out, spending, and household. So again, these A7 envelopes will be offered on the website. Now, another thing that's new is that I am offering this block lettering right here, the block font. So if you were not a fan of my script font, this is my original. I loved the script font, but I know not everybody loves the cursive. Now you can also get any of the cash envelopes in the block font. Another new feature I'm offering besides the block font is I made an option if you wanted to get a rainbow version of the envelope labels. So what I mean is the colored borders, I usually have them all match. Now there will be an option if you want to do rainbow, which is each border will be a different color. I know some people like to have it colorful, so I personally like everything to match, but I wanted to make that an option as well. So that is pretty much everything I have to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed these new savings challenges. I'm really excited. I thank you so much for supporting me, whether it's, you know, purchasing something from the website or just watching, liking, commenting. I appreciate you so, so much. I cannot wait to start these new challenges in the new year. I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments which challenge you are most excited about. And yeah, other than that, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!